Hello friends, welcome to my channel again, Mr. Natural Banana. Don't get annoyed seeing me half naked. Well, I'm trying to make a new video today on how to wear a compression short. Recently I've been wearing a lot of compression short, and I will tell you why I've been using or wearing a lot of compression wear these days. But before that, whenever you try to wear a new compression wear, you'd ideally get stuck in it. Absolutely stuck. It's really difficult, really annoying, and little stubborn to wear a compression short. There's proper techniques, otherwise you'll end up damaging your compression wear, as I had done recently. I bought a new compression wear and it got damaged, luckily a little bit, but still I can manage. But today I will show you how exactly you can wear, and also I'll talk about the benefits of wearing a compression short. So I'll pick it up. So I'm trying to wear a Nike Pro compression wear. It's really tight, and you should, whenever you buy a compression wear, make sure it's equal to your body size ratio. Do not buy an extra large or a size higher than your body type. Then you'd not get the look and feel of wearing compression wear. However, the basic idea of compression wear is that it should be skinny tight with you. It should be stuck to your body all the time. And I'll also talk about the benefits why compression wear should be body tight. And it's ideally people would consider this as a fancy wear, but it is really not. Always make sure that whenever you wear a compression wear, it should be in a clean and dry environment. Do not try to wear a compression wear, especially if you're sweaty. Then you can never wear them and you will end up damaging the wear. Okay? Secondly, whenever you wear a compression wear, you can see a stitch lining. Okay? You can see there with stitching on both the ends. Here, which goes all the way down to your waist. With a stitch, and there's a little bit of mesh fabric which keeps you cool. And on the you should go all the way from your pinky finger and should follow until your back, where it starts. Properly pulled up to the near the shoulder, and you have to adjust with the hand, and you have to do with the other hand as well, the same. And the other hand would be, once you put one hand or whichever hand you try, the other end would always be a little tight. So you should not strap to relieve your body. Don't do that, otherwise you'll end up damaging your compression wear. Just just keep your body a little stoopy like me, and manage that hand, and especially keep that to wear. Then you put your head like this, keep your hands up, do not try to pull it. So see, it's very simple, it came all the way down. If you don't keep this is the main trick, if you don't keep the stitch at this area of the hand, both the sides, you'd not be able to wear the compression. Once you put the top inside, then you have to adjust according to your comfortability, and you have to adjust a little bit. Just make sure this mesh area if you have sharp fingers or sharp nails, do not try to pull this mesh, otherwise you will damage it. As you can see, I have damaged here a bit. I'm done. So it was quick. I took at least 1 hour to 2 hours. The first 3 attempts were all in vain. I was not able to wear it. My girlfriend had to actually come and rescue me to get this out of my body. I was trying in a sweaty environment, and on top of that, I put it like a t-shirt. It's never gonna work if you wear like a t-shirt. So that's how you should wear a compression wear. Now, first of all, I would not ask my friends to go and buy compression wear. Compression, this buy or not, it's all up to you. Most people might say this is a placebo effect or a gimmick, this kind of wear that people wear, but I would not say this is a gimmick. I've been wearing compression for the last 6-7 months. I have a couple of them, at least 6-7 compression wear. Comes in different varieties like compression wear plus a dri-fit. I also have a hyper warm. Since these days I'm in Shillong, as you can see, this is beautiful environment. I had been riding in the mountains, and whenever I go in the mountains I wear the hyper warm. It's really nice, it keeps me warm, and it's to wear a top, that's it, and I can ride. I do not have to wear a huge jacket, and I really had no idea the way it was able to keep all the air and not entering my body. Perfect. To work out and wear compression wear and workout, it will give you less muscle fatigue. That's what I had been experiencing. It will give you less muscle fatigue, body is losing all the moisture. The more quickly you lose sweat, and you tend to get tired quite easily. However, what I have experienced, if I'm wearing a compression wear and if I'm sweating, first of all, I do not need a towel to wipe myself off. It keeps the sweat sucked by the compression wear, and secondly, it keeps me warm and the moisture is not getting off my body. So I really get less exhausted if I'm wearing compression wear and working out. There is another important fact, what I have found out, if I'm wearing compression wear and working out, I get less muscle sore. The onset of muscle sore is quite late. Once what happens is too strenuous, we immediately get sore. But I haven't been able to feel that much of soreness lately after wearing compression. I had to pause this video for a while. It had been raining. Meghalaya is abode of clouds, but it has no guarantee to rain. It can be anytime, in the middle of anything. So I have to cut this video and start again. What my idea was all about a compression wear. I would not say this is a gimmick or a placebo effect. That's why most athletes across the globe wear a compression wear. How I started wearing similar kits, which first of all gives me better look, and secondly it has some relevance to it. It's not just a gimmick. I had been myself feeling wonderful during workout whenever I use a compression wear, instead of being naked or semi-naked with those tops and pushing to the rep to the max and showing all your veins popping out. I'm no more into that game. I want to be more subtle and experience myself where I work out, instead of letting other experience me. So that's all about a compression wear. You can go ahead and research about the same online. If you like it, you can go and buy, though it's not that cheap to buy compression. So if you think this is the right time for you, you can definitely go and invest. I would definitely suggest you. It's really nice to wear, and there are different kinds of compression also online available, from hyper warm, hyper cool, variety. For today and about this video, hope you have liked it. If you liked it, whenever next time buy compression, use my video to see and try how to wear it instead of damaging it. And secondly, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. That's it guys, this is Mr. Natural Banana. Thanks for joining me. I'll come again soon with another video. Bye bye.